Doggy, why are you reading the book about me? We're not supposed to do it yet. Sorry, I like it. We're reading it with the video on. Now get ready. Hey guys, we're back in another video. Pete the Kitty in the Case of the Hiccups by James Dean. Mommy? Hiccup cup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Charlie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, Charlie, you stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot, hops up and down, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot, hopping up and down, and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, he sings a song. Hiccup. He still has the hiccups. Giving him more hiccups. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot, hopping up and down, sing a song, and rub your eyes, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. Hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end. Like and subscribe for more Doggy with me videos and more. I just wanted to read them. I know. Bye guys, see you in the next video.